students. This is Mentors English Express and I'm Sudha Oberoi. Recently, I have been making videos for classes 10th and 12th. I hope you have been enjoying those videos. This video is particularly for class 10th, in which I am going to explain you changes in your English question paper. There are lots of changes in the new pattern. I am going to explain you in detail the new question paper which you will get in 2021 May board exams. First, let us see the question paper of last year, that is 2019 and 20. There were 3 sections in this question paper. Reading section, which was of 20 marks, writing and grammar section, which was of 30 marks, and literature section, which was again of 30 marks. Your English question paper was of 80 marks. Now this pattern has completely changed. Now let us see the question paper of 2021, that is board exam 2021, which is going to start in May 2021. Now in this there will be 2 parts. Part A will have unseen passage of 20 marks, literature of 10 marks, and grammar again of 10 marks. So you will have unseen passages, literature and grammar in part A, total 40 marks, and all this will be objective. Then you will have part B. In this you will get writing section for 10 marks, literature section for 30 marks, and this is also of 40 marks. But this is subjective. So your total question paper is of 80 marks. 40 marks of part A, 40 marks of part B. Part A is completely objective. Part B is subjective. Let us understand part A and the types of questions you are going to get in part A. There will be total 7 questions in part A. Your question number 1 is unseen passage. Here you are going to get 12 MCQs, multiple choice questions, and you have to do 10 out of 12. There is choice of 2 questions. This is of 10 marks. Second question again is unseen passage. Again you are going to get 12 multiple choice questions here, and you have to do 10 out of 12. This is also of 10 marks. Question number 3 is from literature. You are going to get 2 extracts. One extract will be from First Flight and the other will be from Footprints Without Feet. You have to attempt 1 extract out of 2. There will be 5 questions in each extract. Attempt only 1 complete extract. This is of 5 marks. Question number 4 will have stanzas from poems. Here also you are going to get choice. You will get 2 stanzas. You have to do 1 out of 2. There will be 5 questions. It is of total 5 marks. Then question number 5, 6 and 7 are from grammar section. Now in this grammar section you are going to get questions on tenses, modals, subject-verb agreement, reported speech or determiners. Your question number 5 is of 3 marks. Question number 6 is again of 3 marks. And question number 7 is of 4 marks. So your total part A is of 40 marks and all the questions in this part A are objective. Let us see part B. In this part you are going to get from question number 8 to question number 13. Your question number 8 is of formal letter writing. You will get 2 questions. Out of 2 you will have to do 1 question. So you have got a choice here. This question is to be answered in 100-120 words. Now in this formal letter writing you can get either placing order or maybe inquiry letter or complaint letter, etc. I have already uploaded these videos on my YouTube. You can watch these videos from there. Question number 9 is of analytic paragraph. Here you will get either bar graph or a table or a pie chart which you will have to analyze. Here also you will get 2 questions and you have to do 1 question out of 2. This is also to be answered in 100 and 120 words and is of 5 marks. So question number 8 and 9 are from writing section. One is formal letter writing which is of 5 marks. The other is analytic paragraph which is again of 5 marks. Now question number 10 has got 2 parts, A and B. Now in A part you are going to get 3 questions from first flight. You will have to do 2. So here is internal choice. You will do 2 questions out of 3 questions. These questions are to be answered in 20-30 words and each question is of 2 marks. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 marks. Now B is from footprints without feet. Here also you have got internal choice. You will get 3 questions. You will have to attempt 2 questions out of 3. Each question is of 2 marks and 2 into 2 is equal to 4 marks. Question number 10 has got A and B part. In both these parts you are going to get 3 questions and here you have to do 2 questions each and these are of 4 marks each. Total 8 marks questions will be there. So question number 10 is of 8 marks. Then comes question number 11. Here also you are going to have A and B. A is from first flight. Here you will get 3 questions. Again you have to do 2 questions out of 3. But these are to be answered in 40 to 50 words. And these are of 3 marks each. So these 2 questions are of total 6 marks. Then B you will get from footprints. Here also you are going to get 3 questions. Out of 3 you will have to attempt 2 questions. These questions are also of 3 marks each. So these are also of 6 marks. So question number 11 is of total 12 marks. Then comes question number 12. Here you will get long answer questions from first flight. Here also you have got internal choice. There will be 2 questions. You have to attempt 1 out of 2. And this is to be answered in 100-120 words. This question is of 5 marks. Then comes question number 13, which is again long answer question. This is from your footprints without feet. This is to be answered in 100-120 words. Here also you are going to get 2 questions and you will have to attempt 1 question out of these 2 questions. This question is also of 5 marks. So this is of total 5 marks. So here is the pattern of English question paper where you are going to get total 13 questions. Part A is of 40 marks which is objective and part B is also of 40 marks which is subjective. I hope children that the pattern of new question paper in English is very clear to you now. Now you will be able to attempt your exam confidently. Children, I hope you all are working hard. Now the pattern of question paper is also very clear to you. Appear in your board exams confidently. Definitely you are going to get good marks. All the best. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You can also post your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.